Welcome to the Zyng ATM video tutorial presented by Zyng Technologies. Today we're discussing the feature Check Balance. To begin, select one of the 5 options displayed on the screen. To check the balance of your debit card, select the ATM option. Then, insert your debit card. Once inserted, use the keypad to enter your PIN number and press Enter. Select Yes when asked for a receipt. Then, select the View Balance option. Select either Checking, Credit Card, or Savings to view the balance of your chosen account. Once your selection is made, wait a few moments for the machine to process your request. You may now remove your card. To conclude the transaction, please take your receipt. Thank you for watching!